Hey guys, it's Gridlocks here, back after 3 years of locking himself in his room, watching Family Guy funny moments videos on loop for the last 3 years. But yeah, that's not the point. The point is that I'm only 93 million subscribers away from surpassing PewDiePie. And I thought to myself, how the hell am I going to surpass PewDiePie if I can't make content? Which I have not been doing for the last 3 years because of Family Guy funny moments. But you know, yeah, that's the point. That's the point. I'm only 93 million subs away from subscribing to PewDiePie. Now, if I want to get there anytime soon, I've got to start making content again. So, I'm back, and I thought I'd have this as a goal since, I have no job, I have no life. So, to celebrate my comeback, I am here today to watch a very important video. Well, the person who submitted this said it was very important that I watch this video, and that was the singular most life-changing piece of media that I can watch, and it's been acclaimed highly by thousands upon thousands of magazines and media and such. So here we go with Bra Sound Effect 2. Ah, fucking keyboard's not working. Okay, here we go.
Bruh.
Can't handle it. Can't handle it. Oh my god, that was so heavy. That was so heavy. I wanted this to be a fun video, but nope, I got tricked. I got bamboozled, guys, into watching something very heavy. Yeah, this is the deepest shit I've ever seen since MLG Michael Rosen. Oh my god. Why is it when I just want to make a simple comeback video, I must be given something that deep and thought out and personal, that it brings back my traumatic childhood from in Dubbo. I don't know. I just remember it being known as Dubbo. Oh, God. Well guys, thank you for watching this video today, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe so we can make sure to overpass PewDiePie in the next whenever. So that I can become the next T-Series. Right. Have a nice day.